In this video, I'll show you how to install and use the Forester app in your Shopify store so you can create and embed forms in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, go to Apps and use the search bar to find the Forester app. Click Install and complete the setup. Once installed, you'll find the app under the Apps section. Open it, and you'll see a list of all the forms you've created. From here, you can create a new form. Click the three dots on an existing form to edit it. View submissions. Adjust form settings. Keep in mind that editing a form may redirect you to Forester's main platform. Once your form is ready, click on Add to Store to access the embedding options. Embedding options. 1. Form ID. Embed, copy the form ID. Go to your theme editor. Add a new section arrow select. Apps arrow, choose the form. Block paste, the form ID. You can customize display type, inline, pop-up, or pop-over. Auto height width. Use custom width if 100% doesn't display properly. 2. Manual embed HTML code. Copy the provided HTML code. In the theme editor, click Add. Section arrow, choose Custom Liquid Paste. The code. You can further customize colors, width, padding. Add custom CSS for advanced styling. 3. Hosted link. Use a dedicated Forester hosted page with a custom domain. Redirect users from your Shopify store to this page. This option is ideal for landing pages, marketing campaigns, registrations, surveys, or order forms. Once embedded, your form will be live on your store. You can easily track and manage all submissions directly within the app. That's it for this tutorial.